Find the equation of the tangent to the curve x cubed plus 4xy minus x squared is equal to 4 at the point minus 2, minus 2. So, writing that down, what we need to do is this is an implicit function, so we need to differentiate implicitly with respect to x. So, if we do d dx of everything, so d dx x cubed plus d dx of 4xy minus d dx of y squared is equal to d dx to 4. So we've done the same to both sides. This is quite easy. This just becomes 3x squared. Here we're going to have to use the product rule. So taking u as 4x and v as y. d dx of uv is u dv by dx plus v du by dx. So that's going to be equal to 4x times the differential of y with respect to x plus y, which is v, times the differential of 4x, which is 4. This is going to have to do here, we're going to have to do d dy of y squared dy by dx, and the differential of 4 is 0. So carrying on, so we've got 3x squared plus 4x. The differential with respect to x of y will be d dy of y dy by dx. Just write this bit here as 4y. And then if we can now differentiate this, this will now become 2y times dy by dx. And that's still equal to 0. So we've just got this little bit here to deal with. So we've got 3x squared plus 4x. And then differential of y is 1. So we're going to have 1 times dy by dx, which is dy by dx. Plus 4y minus 2y dy by dx, still equal to 0. Now here we've got 4x minus 2y dy by dx. We'll factorise that, so we get 4x minus 2y dy by dx, and then we've got minus 3x squared minus 4y, taking those two over to the other side. And that gives that dy by dx will be minus 3x squared minus 4y over this here, which is 4x minus 2y. Now we can take a little minus sign out here and take it down here and here. So this now becomes 3x squared plus 4y over 2y minus 4x. What we do is swap these over and swap the signs, make the top positive. Just makes it a little bit neater. Don't have to do it. Up minus 2, 2. We put x is minus 2, y is minus 2. So we get 3 times minus 2 squared plus 4 times minus 2 over 2 times minus 2 minus 4 times minus 2. That gives 4 over 4. 4 over 4 is 1. So we've got the gradient of the tangent at that particular point, and we've got the coordinates. So the equation of the tangent at minus 2 has gradient 1. So we now use the y minus y1 is equal to mt x minus x1. So x1 and y1 of this, and mt is the gradient of the tangent. Substituting in, it's y minus minus 2 is equal to 1, x minus minus 2, that gives y plus 2 is equal to x plus 2. The 2's cancel out, so you get y is equal to x, or x minus y is equal to 0, being the equation of the tangent. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the equation of the tangent of a curve defined implicitly. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.